everybody, and welcome back to my channel. For today, just like so many people out there stuck in quarantine, I figured maybe I should do something to my hair. So today is the day. We are going to attempt to balayage my own hair on my own. Let's see how this goes. I am a licensed professional. I know what to properly mix. I am using good quality professional products. So today we are in my bathroom and we are going to attempt to give myself a balayage, but I highly recommend you do not try this at home. It's hard to see at the back of my head, which is where the difficulty will come in, but in terms of what I'm using and what my hair can handle, I know exactly what's what. So I'm not going to be sharing any of my formulas or anything like that. This is not meant to be a tutorial. It's more supposed to be a fun, come along for the ride, see what happens sort of thing. Normally I would never do my own hair. It is very hard, it's hard to see, it's hard to know what's what, especially in the back of your head. But we're stuck inside and I'm dying to do some hair, and my mannequin head can only handle so much. Again, disclaimer, please do not try this at home. I cannot say enough how horribly wrong this could go if you have no idea what you're doing or if you don't know the chemical side of this. So again, this is just meant to be a fun, come along for the ride sort of thing. So let's just dive on in, shall we? Let's get to it. So this is my hair currently. It is 100% completely natural. I have not colored my hair in over 3 years now. This is my hair now, just so you can kind of see a before. This is our before. We're gonna section out my hair. We're gonna start just kind of like little by little. Okay, once we start this, there is no going back. Here goes nothing. This is so much harder than I thought it was gonna be. Oh my god. Okay, come on. Alright, one in. How many more to go? Oh my goodness, this is so hard. I'm gonna stop after like one section. Be like, you know what? Maybe that's all I need. You know what? That one wasn't as hard. This is the hardest part. Middle sections are gonna be so tough. Okay. This is gonna be the toughest part, for sure. Surely we're on the last like few sections at the back. Thank goodness, 'cause the back is so hard, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we're gonna leave these ones pretty thin because I don't want a ton up here. We don't want to come up too high either. We're so close, friends. I won't lie to you. I'm getting an arm workout. My hair's so long. Oh my god. It's so long, you guys. Okay. Little break. Back at it. Okay. Okay, so we've got the whole back done. This is so hard to do by yourself. Just FYI, I wasn't just making it up. I really, really highly recommend against this. Okay, let's move on to the front. The back is probably close to done already in certain spots, so we gotta get this hairline in. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the front off camera and then I'll be back in a bit. Well, here we are. We've got all of our foils in now. I definitely feel like I'm eating hair. This was so incredibly hard. Like, I'm not even joking to you. I'm not just saying that so that you don't do it. Like, seriously, that was so hard. But now we're gonna rinse out the back and more than likely take a look at the front. We're gonna wait a little bit, see what's what, and I will be back when this is all done. Well, here we are. I did it. I balayaged my own hair. I am not mad at it. It could have gone so much worse. But you know what? I'm quite pleased. I've got a money piece. What? I actually quite like it a lot. Let's see the back. I'm like, it could have gone way worse. Once again, please don't try this at home. This was the hardest thing that I've ever done. Definitely, please don't try this at home. It was so hard and it could go so horribly wrong. But thank you for coming along for the ride. I mean, I had kind of fun. It was kind of fun. It was hard work, but it was fun. But I think it's time for me to finally get out of my bathroom. I'm really sick of this place. I need some water, and here we are. I'm living life in Blondtown now. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more me attempting things with my hair videos or me actually teaching you things for real videos, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share the video, all of that good stuff. You know the drill. But I hope your quarantine is going a-okay, and I will see you guys hopefully soon.